I'm Richard Tavenor, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for iVendi Limited. iVendi is a software company working in the automotive and financial services sector. We've got over 600 clients across the UK. Predominantly we work with car dealers and we web-enable showroom processes. We make it, in essence, easier for consumers to buy and dealers to sell online. We went from the initial idea to launching the company by putting together a very detailed business plan. We established what the product was, the market that we were working with, and how we were going to approach it. The Welsh Government has been helpful to our business, and we've had mentoring support from two consultants who've worked with our business for over a year now. They've helped us with strategic objectives, they've helped us look at funding options, and generally been on hand to provide assistance and guidance. And as a software business, we've had some great input from the business mentors around the technical delivery of our product, the recruitment of the right kind of software developers. And the business mentor we've got is somebody who's actually been an entrepreneur and founded a software business in Wales. So he's got a huge amount of unique experience that he's been able to bring to our business. Any time is a good time to start a business, provided that you know what it is that you're doing, provided that you've planned clearly which market you're approaching. I think it's very important to fully understand the market that you're working in. And crucially, I think you do need to have a unique product offering. You need to be doing something different. Even if it's something somebody's already doing or has done before, I think you need to give it your own flavour and its own unique edge. I think the one piece of advice that I give to aspiring entrepreneurs is that it's all about effort and how much effort you put in. And as long as you're prepared to put in a lot of effort, there's a lot of things that you'll be able to achieve.